Hello. Hello and good evening, all of you. And I hope everyone is fine and doing well. A very warm welcome to all participants joining us from across the country and beyond. You are watching the live one-day workshop on enhancing scientific writing with the LaTeX and Generative AI, proudly organized by the Method Thinking Foundation, Fazilka, India, a platform committed to empowering STEM education and research through cutting-edge knowledge and innovation. In today's fast-paced academic and research environment, producing high-quality scientific document efficiently is more important than ever. That's where LaTeX and Generative AI come in, tools that not only boost the precision and presentation of your work, but also save time and enhance productivity. So once again, welcome to all the participants to joining this one, and we discuss many things during this session. Okay, so the content are very useful, and if you can introduce yourself by using your name and country, because the participants are from different zone also. And today, very good evening, Suman, Eunice, Nalini, Chitra. Okay, so once again, welcome to all the participants at this platform. So during this entire session, and most of the participants are from mathematics and science background, computer background. So the LaTeX tool will be very beneficial to all the participants, and here we demonstrate how we can use generative AI to write our content faster. And because when we are thinking to write by using LaTeX software, there are some challenges, not easy to use, but there are so many beneficial of this LaTeX software to writing a long document and many things. So this will help you in many ways. Okay, so here you can see this is my presentation. Why is LaTeX? Okay, so we will discuss everything one by one, and after that I will demonstrate a hands-on session, and you will follow all these instructions, and I hope that this will be very beneficial to help you. Okay, so first thing is, why LaTeX? LaTeX is a powerful typesetting system that is widely used in academia and technical field. It offers unparalleled typesetting quality, especially for the mathematical equations, formulas, and structured document. Unlike a traditional word processor, LaTeX provides fine control over formatting, automatic referencing, bibliographies, and version control, making it the top choice for researchers, scholars, and the technical writers. Okay, so many times when we write our document, and we saw that when we transfer our file to the another system, our document which we prepared in the Word are not same. At some time when we have the different you can say operating system, in that case also we have some challenges. So all these, in the case of LaTeX, there is no such type of the problem. Once you prepared a document by using the LaTeX, okay, you can use in any operating system, you can have any version of the LaTeX. The file will work any version of the LaTeX as well as on any operating system like Windows, Mac, or Linux. Okay, so the same file you can use in any operating system once you have prepared the document. Okay, so now what is the role of generative AI? This is also again a very important question here to discuss. When paired with the generative AI tool like ChatGPT, these capabilities are taken even further. AI can assist with the content creation, language refinement, proofreading, and even generating LaTeX code. Okay, with the help of using generative AI, we can create the LaTeX code, and I will demonstrate everything during the session also. Okay, making the documentation process smarter and more efficient. And so whether you are a student preparing a thesis, a faculty member writing a paper, or researcher managing complex report, this workshop is designed to add value to your documentation journey. Stay with us for the interactive and hands-on session. We encourage you to engage, ask questions, and make the most of this opportunity. But the thing is that you can just put your question in the chat box on the YouTube live. Okay, so by using the LaTeX, we can have the version control, we have the type setting quality. Sometimes we are not able to write the equations in the document, Word document. So mathematical notations we can easily use by the LaTeX and document structure. This is also again very important part of the using LaTeX and benefit. Provide organized document layout and manage document versions effectively in any system. Okay, so here is why LaTeX superior document quality. Okay, and how we can manage. So let's talk about one of the LaTeX most celebrated strength, superior typesetting quality. Okay, so unlike traditional word processor that often require constant manual tweaks to fix layout issues, LaTeX delivers exceptional visual consistency straight out of the box. It uses intelligent algorithm to automatically manage spacing, hyphenation, and kerning, ensuring that every line and paragraph maintain a professional and polished appearance. So in the case of when we are using a Word document, in that case sometimes if our space key is pressed one time or two time and three time, according to that the space is increased. But in the case of LaTeX there is no such type of the problems. Sorry. So whether there is spaced, but LaTeX control this type of the space automatically. Okay, we need not to worry about whether our space key pressed two times or three times. LaTeX will take the space according to the requirement of the document automatically. Okay, so in short, LaTeX does not just make your document look better, it make it look right. That's why researchers, publishers, and technical writers across the world prefer LaTeX for high quality printing ready documentation. Okay, so when you will write and when I will demonstrate, then you will realize why the LaTeX is so superior document quality. Okay, so next we have the unmatched mathematical notations. And if you have any question, you can put your questions in the chat box. Okay, and I will try to present and I will try to reply your questions in the chat box. Good evening all of you, Jyoti Mishra, Ragini Saxena, and Dr. Mukesh Kumar Meena. Okay, Gurtej Singh, good evening all of you, and nice to see all of you here at the place. Okay, there are many participants has been registered for this activity, and I think due to the time difference, some of the participants are not able to join, but don't worry, the link will remain same and all the recordings of the session will be available whenever the other participant will join and come to the platform will join. Okay, so now we are talking about unmatched mathematical notation. Another key reason why LaTeX stand out, especially in academic and scientific circle, is its unmatched mathematical notation. LaTeX is widely regarded as the gold standard when it comes to typesetting mathematical equations and formulas. Its syntax is specially designed to represent even the most complex mathematical expression with clarity, precision, and accuracy. But in the case of Word document, we are not able to manage the mathematical equations, and according to our need, sometimes it is very typical to write the expression while using a Word document. But in the case of LaTeX, all these things are very, very simple. And when we have the long document, in that case we can manage our just like if anyone is writing thesis, and we know thesis is very long document, so many things, there are equations, where are theorem numbers, where there are subheadings, okay, there are the number of the references are there, equations are there, equation numbers are there, cross reference and citations of the references are very complex, okay, and sometimes we need to update, we need to remove, we need to add. So in that case everything we have to update in our document. But in the case of you are using the LaTeX, it will do automatically everything. If you will remove any equation and then you will update the document, it will take only 1 minute, less than 1 minute, okay. And in the case of Word document, it will take more time to manage your document, okay. And whether you are dealing with the integrals, summations, matrices, differential equations, or multi-line formulas, LaTeX offer extensive support through a vast range of the mathematical symbol, operators, and environment. So this enables users to create content that is not only mathematically correct but also visually elegant, okay. And in contrast, traditional word processor often struggle with the complicated equations, leading to formatting inconsistencies, misalignment, or simply unreadable content. That's why scientists, mathematicians, and engineers turn to LaTeX, because when precision matter, nothing else compare, okay. And next we have is the LaTeX document structure, and this is very, very important while you are going to discuss about the document and how this LaTeX can manage everything automatically, okay. So let's now explore another powerful advantage of the LaTeX, which is the structured document creation, okay. LaTeX encourages a clean, organized, and structured approach to writing. One of its greatest strength lies in how it separates content from formatting. This means you can fully concentrate on the quality of your writing, while LaTeX takes care of the visual presentation. Using simple command, you define the logical structure of your document, such as title, section, subsection, paragraph, figures, table, and more. This not only ensure consistency throughout your document, but also make it incredibly easy to update the layout of and styling later without touching the actual content. So this is the beauty of the LaTeX. And in the case of if we think to prepare the document in the case of word processor, it is very typical. Once you format your document, okay, and there are some small you can say statements and the command are there which we have to use to prepare our document, okay. Please don't worry, I will demonstrate everything during this session, and this will help you to understand how we can do, okay. Just you need to stay connected during this 2-hour session, and I will try to explain everything, okay. Whether you are a beginner and you want to integrate how generative AI can help you to prepare your document. Since when we are using the LaTeX, there are several problems, okay. So in that case we have many challenges, and how we can remove the error, which package is required. There are so many problems, while how we can add the table, how we can create the images, and many things. Okay, so all these things will be, we can take help from the generative AI, and this will help you to prepare your document, and I will demonstrate everything by using generative AI and the LaTeX document, and how you can prepare your document. Okay, so everything will be very frequently, just stay connected. So here is version control compatibility. Okay, many times you have observed that when you prepare any document in the word processor, and when you will transfer to any other version, the low version control capability, sometimes it not support in the other system. Okay, suppose you have prepared a document by using the MS Office 7 or latest version 11, and if the same document you want to use in the other system, which is old version, so the file not compatibility, and when you share your file to other person through email or by using the pen drive, and you will see, observe that the content which you prepare are not same. Okay, alignment will be disturbed, and many challenges are there. So finally, let's talk about the features that especially important for the collaborative research and writing version control capability. LaTeX documents are written in plain text format, which means they work seamlessly with the version control system like Git. This gives LaTeX a significant edge when it comes to collaboration. Multiple authors can work on the same document at the same time, take changes line by line, and merge contribution without losing data. So every update can be recorded, compared, and even rolled back if needed. All this complete transparency. Okay, and in contrast, traditional word processor files are binary, which makes that difficult to manage with the version control. They don't easily show what changes, and merging different versions can lead to conflict or even loss of the work. So with the LaTeX and Git, you not only write better, but also collaborate smarter, especially in academic and technical environment where teamwork, traceability, and version history are essential. Okay, so here cross-platform compatibility. This is also again a very important part to know about the feature of this LaTeX, and we can easily compare with the Word document. Okay. So here we would like to highlight another practical advantages of the LaTeX. Its cross-platform compatibility. LaTeX is truly universal. It is available on all major operating systems, whether you are using Windows-based operating system, Mac operating system, or the Linux. You can install LaTeX and work seamlessly across platform. This means your file and workflow remains consistent. Okay, in the case of MS Office, we can use only the Windows-based system. Okay, but in the case of LaTeX, we can use Linux, we can use Mac operating system, we can use Windows. If you will prepare any document by using the Windows-based operating system, and if you will transfer to any person who is using Linux or Mac operating system, the same document will work same as you have prepared. Okay, so this is the main reason to use of the LaTeX for preparing the scientific document. Okay, this means your file and workflow remains consistent no matter which device or system you are using. But that is not all. LaTeX also support exporting your document into multiple format. Okay, such as you can create PDF file, you can create PostScript, even you can use HTML. Okay, but in the case of MS Office, this is not possible. This make your work easily shareable, and accessible to a wide audience, from academic journals to online repositories. Whether you are working a personal laptop collaboration via overleaf in a brochure or sharing content with the global team, LaTeX ensure that your documents are portable, reliable, and universal compatible. Okay, so here we have the automation and customization and how we can manage and how the LaTeX is working automatically. Okay, so the another stand out feature of the LaTeX is its ability to deliver automation and customization like no other document tool. With LaTeX, you are not just writing, you are programming your document, you are define custom command, create custom environment, and automate repetitive tasks, saving you significant time and effort, especially in the long or complex document. Need a consistent way to format the theorem, tables, citations. So in the case of when we have the various type of theorems are in our document, we have the tables, we have the citations. In that case, LaTeX is very useful and save lot of time. Want to set your own document style, LaTeX make it possible. You can tailor the document, you can tailor the look at structure of your document exactly to your needs, from institutional template to the personal preferences, all without compromising on consistency. Sometimes if you have prepared any document and your supervisor say that you need to transfer your document in the other format. So if your document is prepared in word processor, it will take long of time. Okay, since everything to transfer in the other format is not easy, your document by using the word processor, but in the case of LaTeX, if the same thing you want to perform, it will take only few minutes, not only the hours, but only within a few minutes you can change the entire style formatting of your document which is prepared in the LaTeX. So this is also the one of the another beauty of this LaTeX. Okay, in short, LaTeX gives you the freedom to design, the power to automate, and the flexibility to scale, making it the go-to choice for serious scientific and technical writers. Okay, so next we have the ideal for scientific and technical writing. This is the overview why this LaTeX is very important for scientific and technical writing. Okay, so when it comes to the scientific and technical writing, LaTeX truly stands out as the ideal tool. Why? Because of offer combination of the strengths and no traditional word processor can match. From its superior typesetting quality to its unmatched mathematical notation, LaTeX ensures that your content is not just correct, it is also clear, precise, and visually professional. Its structured document creation approach, version control compatibility, and cross-platform availability make it both powerful and practical for individual researchers and collaborators team like. Okay, and not forget the power of automation and customization. Features that let you work smarter, not harder. And yes, LaTeX does not have a learning curve, especially for the beginner, but once mastered, it becomes an invaluable asset for producing consistent, high quality document, particularly in the complex and technical discipline. So whether you are drafting a thesis, preparing a journal article, or submitting a research proposal, LaTeX is a tool worth mastering. Okay, so the thing is that when for the beginners specifically, as you prepare any document by using word processor, you can start directly. But in the case of LaTeX, you need some learning, some training, how we can use LaTeX for the document preparation. Okay, so how you can start, how you can download the LaTeX software. And one more thing, LaTeX is open source software, which means which is free available. Okay, and in the case of word processor, we have to purchase the software, and only then we can write our document. Okay, so and many sport is also there, and here you can see that you can see here this is the workflow for combining LaTeX and generative AI. So here we will discuss how we can combine LaTeX with the generative AI. Okay, so first when we are thinking to writing any document, we have to have idea generation and outline. Okay, so we have to use AI to brainstorm ideas and create an initial outline. Then what happen, we have the generate initial draft of section or paragraph which are required for our document. Then we have to transform the document which we have created, import AI generated text into the LaTeX document, and I will demonstrate how you can transform in the LaTeX format within a few seconds. Okay, whether you are a very beginner or you are the advanced learner, but once you have the format, you can prepare your document, you can insert everything what you need. Render equations and formulas accurately by the mathematical typesetting. There are some packages are required for different type of the documentation, and we can use these packages. Okay, and then we have the formatting and structure. Apply the document classes and style file for the consistency. We can use AI to refine language and correct errors. Sometimes when you have prepared your document by using the LaTeX, and when you will build the file, there are some errors. So with the help of AI, you can remove the errors also. Okay, so you need not remember anything if you are beginner or the advanced learner. Just to remove the errors, we will take the help from the AI. So AI will help you how you can remove the errors also. And then after we have the citation management with LaTeX or BibTeX. Okay, so BibTeX is also very supportive another file, and by using this BibTeX file, we can manage our citations by using the BibTeX also. And then we have the cross referencing, link figures, tables, section within the document. Okay, so our document contain many equations are there. Okay, there are some figures are inside our document, and tables are there. So everything we can link each other, and we can add just like hyperlink. Okay, so we can create the hyperlinked document, and finally we can review and editing, conduct the final review for accuracy and ethical adherence. Okay, so this is the process how we can write and prepare the document. Okay, so dear participant, here we discuss many things about the LaTeX and why LaTeX is important. This is very important to discuss before starting the LaTeX. Okay, now what do we do? And with the help of generative AI, basically we will take help from the ChatGPT. Okay, everyone are very familiar, but how with the help of ChatGPT we can learn many things about the LaTeX and how we can write the document, and if there are any challenge to write any equation or any expression which is are not easy sometimes, and create the error, and sometimes we are not familiar about the package, which package is required to create this document. In that case, this ChatGPT will help you. There are other platforms, but everyone are familiar about the ChatGPT, so we will try to use this ChatGPT for your document. Okay, and also hello everyone, welcome to all the participants who are attending this session. And once again, some of the participants got late to join at this today's session. Don't worry, everything will be recorded in the same link. Okay, and if you did not subscribe this channel, you must subscribe, because regularly we are organizing many things, and whenever we will start to live session, so you will be notified when the session will be live. Okay, so there are participants from the different time zone, and due to the time difference, and today the link which I share with you, the time schedule for the different time zone is also I share, so that you can connect with us. Okay, so here now we are going to start our document to prepare in the LaTeX. Okay, so here you can see, once again thank you to all to join me and seeing the. Okay, so here you can see this is the ChatGPT which I have opened at this place, and we are using here two document. We are using here two softwares which are required, or I will show you how you can download and how you can install. My screen is visible to all of you. You can reply in the chat, YouTube chat, so that if please share the editor tool and connection to the same. Yes, I will. Now I am demonstrating everything, and this will help you to all the participants. Yeah, once again good evening to all of you, and thanks to joining me. So now the one thing, I think all of you are seeing my screen. My desktop is visible to all of you, and here this is the Google. So two softwares are required in your system to install. One is MTTF. One is MTTF. So when you will write here MTTF, okay, and then enter. So this is the official website of the MTTF, and from this place you can easily download this software MTTF. Okay, when you will click here, you will see that this is the official website of mttek.org, and here all the information about this MTTF is available. Okay, and here you can download. Click here, download. Okay, and you can see on this page that if you are using window based operating system, and most of the participants are using window based, you can easily download the window based MTTF by clicking at this place. I am not trying to download. Okay, this is the latest version. You can see the version size is 138.07 MB, and this is the MTTF, and you can easily download by clicking only at this place. If you are using Mac, then you can click here, and from this place you can download this MTTF for your Mac operating system. Okay, and if you are using Linux, also the packages for the Linux are available. From this place you can download according to your need. Okay, so most of the participants are using Windows. I never use Linux or Mac. I am also familiar with the Windows. Okay, so from this place you will download MTTF. It will take a few minutes to download, and then you must install in your system. Is usually we install the other softwares. Very simple to install. Okay, and the other is required. Other is required TeXmaker. Okay, this is also again the editor and most familiar and very sportive. Okay, this is very user friendly editor, and when you will enter here TeXmaker, this is the link, and from when you will click on this link, this is the official website of this TeXmaker. Okay, and once again you can download this TeXmaker from this place. So if you are using Windows based operating system, you can download this TechMaker from this place. And if you are using Mac operating system, you can download from this place TechMaker. Okay. And if you are using Linux, so here the TechMaker packages for Linux are here at this place, and you can easily download and install in your system according to your operating system. Okay, so most of the participants I think are using TechMaker. Okay, sorry, Windows based operating system. So everyone will download this TechMaker by clicking at its place, and you can easily install in your system. And when both the software, remember that first you have to install MTTF, which you can download from this place. Just you need to click and install the MTTF in your system. Okay, and if you need the name of the MTTF, this is the MTTF operating. Okay, you can easily search in the Google by using this name MTTF. Okay, and you can get the MTTF official website and go to the download. Okay, when you will click on the download, you will have the link to download at this place. So you can download MTTF from this place, then download and install. After that you will install TechMaker. So TechMaker is just we have the editor where you can type your text and you can build your file. Okay, so now I am closing these two links, and when you will install TechMaker and MTTF both in your system, then you can open the TechMaker. Okay, you need to open only TechMaker in your system. So when you will open TechMaker, you can see at this place you can see you can create your new file. Okay, you can open your existing file, you can open your recent document. Okay, so here I have some recent document which I have prepared, and you can see I want to show you this file. Not existing right now, I transfer to the other directory, don't worry. Okay, so here we have the save all, save a copy, close, etc. And here you can edit and you can see paste, select all, comment, indent, unindent, fold, unfold. So many options are there, and here are the tools. Okay, so these tools are again very important to build the file. Okay, for the quick build you can press F1, LaTeX F2, view DVI, DVI to PS, PDF LaTeX, view PDF. Okay, so these you can easily go through this detail. Okay, and here is the LaTeX and how you can prepare your document, how you can insert your packages, and everything, all information are available here. And if you need mathematical expression, you can take from this place. Okay, you can see here line math mode, you can have the fraction, you can have fraction, superscript, subscript. Okay, left bracket, right bracket, begin array, math function are there. So there are so many mathematical functions, and these are the syntax. Okay, and these are the some math accent are there, these are the font style. Okay, so all these will available in the packages. So in the beginning, every participant who are attending this session, in the beginning you must be familiar about the interface, and then sometimes we need various type of the symbols, and you can easily catch every symbol from this TechMaker. See, on the left hand side there is a bar. Okay, so when you will click here, yes, so here you can get all the symbols. See here, press on the structure, and you will get the all symbols which are required mathematically. And sometimes we know the symbol, but we don't know how we can extract, how we can use. So just you need to click on the symbol which you want to use for your document, for your writing. Okay, all these symbols are very simple to insert your document. Okay, and I will demonstrate everything how you can use all these symbols. And then you can see the all type of the arrows which are required. These are the for all different type of symbols are required. Okay, and all these are very helpful and very required whenever we need. Okay, so here every type of the symbols are there, left bracket, right bracket, and these are some more symbols you can find here. Okay, so all these are very helpful, and these icons which you can see observe at this place, these we can insert only if we have the document file. Okay, so this is only the basic introduction about the document. Now the thing is how you can start your document. This is very important. Okay, so here what I am doing, I want to prepare, I don't know nothing, but I want to prepare any document by using this LaTeX with generative AI. Okay, so I will demonstrate here now how with the help of ChatGPT, how you can write your smart document. Okay, you can prepare anything what you need. Okay, if you are writing your paper, you can take help. See, one more thing I will let you know. The generative AI tools can help you to write, to prepare your document, but this will not do your research. This will not write your research paper, but this will help you how you can write your writings. Okay, so depend upon your writing, what you want to write. Everything which you want to write, you can take help from the ChatGPT. Okay, and everything I will demonstrate now, and stay connected with me. And everything now we are doing hands-on experiment, and you will be happy to attend this session. You are going to add some values in your writings. Okay, so now you can see here at this place, this is my ChatGPT interface is open here. Okay, so I want to start from the any title. So I am taking the title of our ongoing workshop. Okay, so I am taking this title, I have prepared the today's PPT, and from this place I take this title. Okay, so here I copy, and then yes, help me to write an article on with no space, no threshold. Okay, with no threshold. Add some examples of mathematical equations. Okay, so I put this prompt here, and I request to all the participants, please note this prompt, and this prompt will help you. Okay, and when I will enter, you can see this will write here enhancing scientific writing with LaTeX. Okay, and this is the entire document in you can see here. Okay, here are some examples added here. Okay, and this is the document, and table is also there. Okay, and everything it is writing. Okay, now this is the text which has been created here. Now I want to convert this entire content into LaTeX. I want to transfer this document in LaTeX format. So what I will do, very simple, transform, translate in LaTeX. See, dear participant, please stay connected if you want to integrate LaTeX and you want to learn everything quickly, and how you can remove the errors, how you can insert the images, how you can insert the table, everything we will learn from this place. And then enter. So what this will do, this will translate everything which are in the previous document was created, information we have, and this will translate in the LaTeX format. Okay, all these parts we need to discuss one by one. So you can see here how the document which you will write in LaTeX and how are the commands. So every these parts in the beginning you need to understand. Okay, only then you will be able to write your document by using the LaTeX. Okay, so we have the script in LaTeX and we want to use in our, yes. So what you will do, you will copy from this place. Just you need to click here. So all the entire document, all the script is copied, and now come to add this place. Okay, this is the text maker. This is the text maker, and at this place we will do everything what we need. We will insert the images, we add the equations, some equations are there, we can modify, what we need, everything we can create. Okay, so here you can take the new file, this is the new file, okay, and paste the code which we copy from ChatGPT. Okay, so then you need to save the file. Remember that you need to save the file, but remember that you have to save the file in one folder, because when you will build the file, there are several files will be created. Okay, and these will confuse if you are not using single folder. So what I am doing, I press Ctrl S. By using the Ctrl S, you can see this is my download, and in my download there is a folder which I created today, LaTeX with Generative AI. I will double click on it, and then I will give the name of the file. The name of the file is LaTeX with Generative AI. This is the file name, and then enter. Okay, so the file is saved now in my directory. Now the next important thing is that when you are using LaTeX, okay, the files which you will generate will be in PDF format. So PDF reader must be in your system. Okay, if the PDF reader is there in your system, only then the file which will be generated in PDF will be visible at this place. Okay, so here you can see when I will save this document in my current folder, and now when I will build from this place, you need to build your file from this place. Click this arrow sign, and here you can see view PDF. The file which will be generated will be in the PDF format, and you can see on the right hand side we have very beautiful document. Okay, we have very beautiful document. Now everything which has been created inside in this document we need to discuss. Okay, only then this session will be valuable for you. So if you want to open in PDF reader, just what you will do, on the right hand side right corner you can see where my cursor is moving. At this place we have the external view. When you will click at this place, the file will open in the PDF reader, and you can see the very beautiful document is created. Okay, this is the title. Then we have the introduction. Okay, and alignment, which you will see here, is very beautiful. And page number is at this place. So the thing is, when we have the equation, you can see the expression of the equation. Typesetting a simple equation we have, a is equal to mc square. Equation number 1 is there. Okay, and then we have the quadratic equations, expressions. Okay, so all these things are very simple, and just to see the observation here. Okay, and then enter generative AI, a new era scientific document. Entire document has been created in the LaTeX. The tables you can see here also. Okay, different, you can see here the very typical expression. This is the partial differential equation, Navier-Stokes equation, which is very typical to write if you are using MS Office. This equation not easy to write in your operating system operator. Okay, but here in the LaTeX, this equation is very simple to write. So see the entire document, and then we will discuss every part of this document, how you can update, how you can modify, and from this document you can learn how you can write your own document. Okay, so now I want to close this file. Come here at this place. So here you can see this is the document class. This part, now we will discuss every part, and all these will help you. So here this is the document class which we are using at this place. Okay, and also I will let you know how you can prepare your PPT. If you prepare your document by using LaTeX, it will take only less than 1 minute to prepare your presentation of the same document. Okay, so everything I will demonstrate here and will help you. See, so here our document is the article. Okay, and this is the font size. You can add some more information, but first we have to clear all these things which we are discussing here. Okay, and these are the packages. These are the packages. You can see AMS Math. AMS Math is used for mathematical expressions. Okay, and AMS symbol. Okay, so the symbols which are used in mathematics are also the package to manage the mathematical expressions and the symbols. Graphics is used to add some, if your document contains some images, figures, and you need to add them, then this package will help us. Okay, and you can add your images in your document only if this package is available in your document. And all the packages I will demonstrate how, if not exist, there will be error, how you can remove the error. Okay, and all these things you need not worry. All the things we will take the help from the generative AI. Okay, ChatGPT will help you. Then geometry, the package will help you to manage the left margin, right margin, top margin, bottom margin. You need this. Okay, and then we have the book tabs and margin. At this place, margin is 1 inch, left, right, top, bottom. Okay, if you want to insert the title, then you have to use this command, /title. Okay, /title is used to insert the command, to insert the title in your document. And then at this place we have the title. You can see inside the curly bracket we have the title. So if you want the font size of the title is bold, then you can use the text bold, and you can simply use the text also, depend upon your choice. Okay, so here you can see the font of the title is bold. Okay, and if you want to enter the author name, you can do. Here is I am Meher Chand. I am entering here my name, Meher Chand. So when I will build this file, you will see on the right hand side that my name is there on the document. On the right hand side, see at this place, my name is there. If you will add here date, you will use here /date. you will use here /date. So these are the command. By using this simple command, you can insert everything. So when I will build this file again from this place, okay, and you can see in the my document on the right hand side /date, you will use here /today. Check it. Yes, it is fine. So when you will enter here /today, and it will take the date automatically from the system, and you can see that June 19, 2025. Okay, I am not doing anything. So when you will prepare your document, and when you will update, this will update every information in your document automatically. So automation is there in our this LaTeX document. Okay, and what about the make title? So when you have insert title at the place and other things, then you have to use make title to print this title inside your document. If you are not using make title, then title will not be print here at this place. If you want to insert abstract, okay, /abstract, okay, so here you can insert your abstract also by using abstract /abstract. Okay, so inside the bracket where you can see the abstract, you will add your abstract at space. Add the abstract detail here. Okay, so when you will execute, you have to run the file, and you can see on the right hand side, yeah, you can see the abstract has started from this place. So here whatever you have the information, you can add here your abstract. This will do automatically and will appear here. Suppose that I have the abstract, this information, this is my abstract, this first paragraph is my abstract. Okay, I take this text and put at its place for my abstract purpose, paste here, and when you will print, execute the file, and you can see very nicely abstract is here inside at this place. Okay, you can see this is the abstract. Or either you can use here the another way, you can use /begin abstract. Okay, you can write here begin abstract. Yes, you can use this one, begin abstract, and end abstract. You will write your abstract inside at this place. Copy and paste here. Okay, and this is now extra part, we can delete. Now see very carefully, when you are writing the subject /begin, inside here we have the abstract and then end abstract. Okay, see these two things. So every part of the programming, if you are begin, you have to end. Okay, and here also we begin the document at this place, and at the end we have the end document. So begin document and end document, inside we have the entire text or the information or our text which are required or we are writing. Okay, so here this is the abstract, and see when I will execute, and you can see the abstract on the right hand side. See here, very nice. Okay, so whatever you have the abstract, you can easily write your abstract at this place. You can update anything what you have, you can easily update from this place, and right hand side you can check it, you can add everything. When you will add, if there are some equations, all these things will be automatically managed by this one. Okay, see, this is the introduction, is the first part. This is the first heading, and if you will remove this sign, okay, and see, the number one appeared automatically. Okay, number one appeared at its place automatically. And go to the next session. Here is also star. Okay, we have to remove, and you can see this is the heading 2. This is the heading 2. How you will build the file? You will click at this place and file will be built. Okay, and what about the bullet? You can see on the right hand side, these are the bullet. How you can insert the bullet inside your document? Very simple. And again, all these will be automatically. Okay, you can see, yes, you can insert the bullet inside your document by using begin, itemize and itemize. Okay, and this is the first item. You can see on the right hand side, precision control over formatting. Okay, this is the second item. You can see the second heading, seamless handling of citation and references. So slash everything, the code will start by using slash. Okay, so backslash item, this will control everything automatically. Okay, and then you can see here the stable output for long document like this is. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 things are there, and 5 are there at this place. So this is the syntax: slash begin itemize slash and itemize. If you want to numerize, okay, we have the another way how you can do. You can come to edit place, and here labels are there, citations are there. Okay, and table content if required we can do inside math. Okay, don't worry. So here we have the slash begin. You can use here enumerate. You can use enumerate. Okay, and I am using the same text which are at this place, and you can put inside at this place. Okay, item. So here we are the enumerate, and when you will build this file, and you can see on the right hand side, yes, here are the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Here are the numbers you can see. So enumerate will generate the numbers of the lines. Okay, sometimes we need in this format. Sometimes we have to customize, and you can customize very easily. How you can do customize? See here at this place, you will use this bracket, then inside we have open bracket, and here I am writing A. Then again I am using this bracket, okay, and inside open bracket this is B, and here again, and this is C. I am using inside bracket. Okay, and then use again here this bracket, inside open bracket, and inside D, and this is the last one. Okay, and E. So again build this file, and you can see on the right hand side. Okay, now you can see the format is changed. In the place of bullet we have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so in this way you can manipulate. You can use the these symbol. Okay, A1 Roman symbol you can use also here, and easily you can manage. Okay, so once you have write your document, you can manage everything. See on the right hand side. Okay, you can see in Roman numbers are there. Okay, so here next we have the example, and you can use the, here is the subsection. Okay, sometimes we need subsections also, and subsection you can write here example 1. Okay, so when you will build this one, you see on the right hand side, this is 2.1, this is 2.1. okay, this is the section 2, and inside section 2 we have the subsection, and this must be 2.1. so you can see that everything the LaTeX is doing automatically, okay, and manage automatically. So you need not worry about how you will manage, how you will write, you need not worry about the equation numbers. Okay, everything the LaTeX will manage for you automatically. Just you have to prepare your format, and by using your format you can do everything according to your need. Okay, and this LaTeX will work for you. So once again, if dear participant, you have any question, you can put your questions in the chat box. Okay, so first of all, I am very happy you all are connected with me, and I see that there are more than 100 participants are there, and if you have any question, you can put your question in the chat box in the live YouTube. You can put there. I will check that, and then I will take your question and I will prepare, and also at the end I will let you know. To complete this entire course, if you need some more information advanced level, we have a free course. You can join, you can learn anything what you need. Okay, so everything is there. Just you need to stay till the end, and I will provide all the information regarding that. So if you want to write any equation, so you will use begin equation and end equation. Inside you will write your equation. Okay, so E is equal to MC square. This cap sign, E is the E, MC square, and this cap sign is used for exponent. Okay, so here I will give you some more examples. Sometimes you need to insert the equation in the text. Okay, solve the, just like I have the statement, solve the equation. Okay, so you will use this sign, and at the place you will write your equation. Suppose that I am writing here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And then when you will build this file from this place, and on the right hand side you will see that we have this equation. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c without number. Okay, and this is in the line. Okay, if you will use here double symbol. Okay, and here is also, and when you will again build up, okay, and you can see here the equation is separate from the text. Equation is in the center, but this will not appear along with the line. Okay, so if you want to write the equation along with the line, in that case you will use a single dollar sign. Okay, see the difference. So now the equation will be along with this text. Solve the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and when you will use double dollar sign on left side as well as on right hand side, the equation will be separate from the text. Okay, you can see on the right hand side. So now solve the equation, and equation is at the place. and this will be always in the center. Okay. Okay, you can put your questions in the live chat. Okay, I will take your questions. So here you can see, if you want to write the equation with the number, in that case I have to use here slash, see here, slash begin equation. There are two options, either you will use equation or you will use equal array. So you can use one of them. Okay, and I will take this part and I will insert here, and you will see that when I will build the file, equation number of this equation will be appeared on the right hand side automatically. See, on the right hand side, okay, this is the equation with the number, and all the numbers of the other equation has been updated automatically without disturbing the document. This is the beauty of this LaTeX, and this is the requirement, since when you will prepare your scientific document and many things are there inside, you can hyperlink everything your document by using LaTeX. But in the case of a word processor, we have very typical challenges, and once you start to work by using this LaTeX, you can play with the document. You need to worry about the equations, equation numbers, their headings, subheadings, their numbering, etc. So all the things, this LaTeX will update everything automatically. Okay, so suppose that if you have multiple equations, I enter here begin EQ, I am taking the equation, and here I have the equation is if we have some function, just like I am using here z is equal to I have is function f, and this is the expression, like I have the expression in the fraction format. Okay, slash you will use frac. So frac will insert the fractional form, just like I am taking here I am taking here x square plus 3x and plus 2. Okay, and in the denominator I have x plus 5. Okay, and when I will build up, you can see, yes, we have in the fraction form. Okay, z is equal to this one, and if you want a function, suppose that I have f, and then you will use slash left, this one, this is the left bracket, this is the left bracket. Okay, and on the right hand side I have slash right bracket, and when you will build, you can see we have a function. We have z is equal to f x square plus 3x plus 2 upon x plus 5. Okay, but if we are writing in word processor, this is very typical sometimes, and sometimes we have derivative or partial derivative. This will be again very typical to write. Okay, so here we can check the, if you want to update this equation, you want to change this expression, what you will do, you can jump directly to the code of this equation. Just you will right click at this place, and then click to jump line, and your cursor will be automatically at the same place. Okay, this is the code for this equation. Okay, so here you can check it when you will run the code, and you can see that this is the red sign at the place. Okay, and again your cursor is at its place, and when you will run, you will see that this is highlighted. Okay, this code is for this equation. If you want to manipulate, you can manipulate this part. Suppose that I am taking here y is equal to, okay, and you see that y is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And similarly, we can have the integration format. You can check the integral, how you can write the integral symbol. Integration 0 to infinity e x square dx under root pi upon 2. See the syntax for this equation, very interesting. So I demonstrate here some examples how you can insert the integrations. See that syntax. Begin equation and end equation, these are very important to write any mathematical equation or expression, okay, or any chemical equation also. So here you can see this is the int. Int is used for the integral sign, and for the lower limit underscore 0, this is the lower limit, and cap, this is the upper limit. Okay, cap upper limit, then e cap minus x square. Note that we need power of e is minus x square, so minus x square must be inside curly bracket. Just you need to understand only these syntax which we are using. Okay, and on the right hand side we have the slash fraction, and in the numerator we have square root. For the square root we have the backslash sqrt slash pi upon 2. Okay, so this is the symbol. Okay, sometimes we are not familiar about how we can write the partial differential equation. Okay, you have no idea. So what we will do, we will come at this place at this place. Okay, so here help me to write partial differential equation and then enter. So here is the expression which you can use. Okay, so the meaning of this one is slash, this is the partial, you can see the symbol, and u upon slash partial x. So this is the symbol which is required to represent curl u upon curl x. You can check inside in the LaTeX also. Here I am writing this expression slash begin equation. Okay, and here I put the same symbol by taking, and you can see on the right hand side we have the equation, and same expression curl u upon curl x we have at this place. Okay, and with the number. And also there is one example, it provided first order PDE. We have this example, you can copy from this place. Okay, and you can use here, and according to your need you can modify. According to your need you can modify it. Just we need the idea why we are using this ChatGPT, just to get the idea how we can write the partial differential equation in LaTeX. Okay, why we should waste our time? To save our time we are taking the help from ChatGPT. So whatever you have the challenge, you can easily put your prompt. ChatGPT will provide you the syntax, just you need to copy and paste and run the code, and you will have the corresponding expression what you need. And after that you can manipulate, you can manage according your need, and you can update it, all these things. Okay, so this is the beauty of this is the very tutor, or you can say the helping tool for your learning, for your writing, for your understanding, to sort out your problems. So just we are taking the help how we can write. Okay, but your research, your document is your own. We are not writing the content from the ChatGPT. Just we are using the ChatGPT as a helping tool. Nothing. But your content are your. Okay, just take the help from the ChatGPT, how you can sort out the problem, how you can manage your, how you can remove the errors, how you can learn this document to create in the LaTeX. Okay, so there are many challenges and need. Sometimes, okay, and one more thing I let you know. Any symbol which you need to add here inside this expression, and as I know they told you that you can take any symbol which you need to write any expression. Here are many expressions are there. Okay, suppose that I am writing one more equation here or expression. I will take help from these symbols. Okay, I will take help from these symbols which you can see on the left hand side, and how we can use. See here, I am using the equation without number. Okay, I want to write any integration. So here, this is the sign of the integration. Click on it. Okay, this is the symbol, and then you need the lower limit. Lower limit you can take here as A, and upper limit you will use here cap sign. You will use here cap sign B. And when you will build this file, you can see we have integration on the right hand side A to B, and here I have some function. I have function, but function is in the form of fraction. Function is in the form of fraction. So you need to insert here fraction also. So how you can take the fraction also? You can come here. Okay. So here you can see this is the fraction command. This is the fraction. Just you need to click here. You have this expression here. Okay. In the beginning we don't know the command, but as soon as you will start to use, you can get help from this side. You can take the help from the ChatGPT, but here also the symbols are there. You need not required to go again and again for the ChatGPT, but you can take help from this side also. Here everything is there. Okay, so here you can put your expression. Suppose that here is slash sin x, and then at the bottom I have is slash tangent x. Okay, tangent x. Then I have dx, and see. This is the expression. I can increase open the file and see here. Check at this place. See this expression. A to B sin x upon tangent x dx. So this type of expressions, when you are using word processor, it is very typical. But the expressions which you will see by using the LaTeX is very nice. Okay, and neat and clean everything. Okay, no overlap. Numbering is there automatically. Okay, and if you want this expression inside the equation, you can again use slash begin equation. Okay, you will use here begin equation, and you will copy all these content from this place, cut and paste here. Okay, and then remove this. This is the extra part. Okay, and then run from this place. You can build your file from this place, and you can see now this expression is with number. So we need not worry about the numbers. Okay, and if you need the other sign you want to insert inside, your cursor is at this place. You can insert here some more like comma, and then you need some space here. Then you can use here x belongs to, this is the belong to, this sign is belong to, and for belong to we have to use here in. Okay, and the real number, and the real number. So the real number will be, you can take the real number, yes, this one. Okay, slash this one. So I have to cut from this place, and this must be here. Okay, and now check this equation. See here, see this expression. Sometimes, many times I face the challenges to write this symbol, which you can see x belongs to r. This symbol does not exist in word processor, and if it exists, not easy to find. We are wasting our time. Okay, but here we need not worry about the time. Everything is available here, and you can insert the symbol what you need. Okay, and if you need to other symbols, like you need say this symbol, there exist. Okay, slash n exist. Okay, does not exist, and you can see the symbol is appeared here, does not exist. So all the symbols are here at this place for the partial, for nebula. Okay, and for all the symbols you can choose here: infinity, iota, square root, etc. what you need. All the symbols are here inside, and these are the Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma. If you want to insert here alpha and beta, suppose that lower limit is alpha, suppose that lower limit is alpha, this is the alpha, and upper limit is beta, this is beta. So see, as we are speaking, the name is same, only we have to use backslash alpha backslash beta. And when you will run, see on the right hand side, okay, when you will see on the right hand side, see the yes, very nicely alpha and beta are inserted at the place. Okay, so in this way we can insert any symbol which are available here, and these symbols, every symbol are there. Just you need to click, and the symbol will be inside in your content, and when you will build the file, these will be automatically inserted in your final document which you are writing. Okay, so now the thing is, any more question? If you're can we use overleaf? Yes, you can use the overleaf also to prepare your document. And there is one more question. Thank you, sir, for the training. Please, after I install BigTech, I need to know between TechMaker or Tech Studio. Yes, you can use one of these, TechMaker or Tech Studio, but I will prefer to use TechMaker. TechMaker provide many things which you can see here, and if you are friendly to use Tech Studio, you can use also Tech Studio. So there are several editors are there, and according to your need, you can use one of these. Whether you can use the TechMaker, you can use Tech Studio, you can use Taxi Center is also there. Okay, so according to your need, WinEdit is also there. So there are various type of the tech editors to prepare your document. So according to your need, you can use one of them, but I recommend you to use TechMaker. Is very friendly. All the symbols, whatever we need, we can easily insert everything from this place, and this will save a lot of time. Okay, so if sometime you need to insert the images, okay, so how you can insert the image? For that we again take help from the ChatGPT. Okay, here is one more example. You can see this is the example of the heat equation, and heat equation is there. You can copy and use in your document. Okay, and I copied, and here I insert the heat equation also. Okay, and build the file. Yes, this is the heat equation, and there is one more equation. Wave equation is also there. This is the example. Okay, you can copy and observe the syntax, and then you can edit accordingly your need. Okay, so this is the wave equation you can see. So you can see that the equation numbers are automatically on the right hand side. Sometimes we need the numbers in the section. Okay, we can do also. So first I have to convert everything in subsection. This is also the subsection, and I have to remove this sign. Okay, this is the again subsection. This is also the subsection. Okay, and then this is section. Okay, build the file. So here you can see that under the section 3, 3.1, 3.2, automatically numbers are there. Okay, and these are the subheading, example 2, example 3, and whatever you want to put your name of the subsection, you can insert. Okay, and here this is the section 2.1. Okay, this is the mathematical writing. Here is also, and this is the section 4. Then after you can convert this in the form of section. Okay, you have to remove this one and insert. Okay, so now how we can insert the table? Very simple. You can see here begin center and end center. So this will manage your table inside here in your text, and then you will use here begin tabular. Okay, begin tabular, and here are I use some @ curly bracket, triple vertical line, @ and so on. Okay, and then we have the top rule, and here this is the text TB. Okay, so here we have this is the first part, task. You can see here is the task. Then end will break the section. Okay, this is the first column, and after end the second column. Okay, and second column we have is the text TB, LaTeX strength. Okay, LaTeX strength. Okay, and then this is the third section, Tech TB AI contribution. So this is the mid rule. So top rule means the upper line, and mid rule means this line which you can observe. Okay, and after that we have this is the first part. You can see writing equation. Then this is the second section, second column, high precision typesetting. Then this is for the third column. Okay, auto conservative of equation from text. Then this is the second row, this is the third row, and each row will be break by using the and only. Okay, by using the and if you want to break the row, then you will use a double break slash. Okay, this double break slash will break the row, and single and we are using break for the column. Okay, so and this is the bottom rule. Bottom rule means this line which you can see at the end of the table. So this will generate a very nice table. Okay, and if you need some more examples to insert the table, you can take help from this place. So help me to insert simple table in LaTeX. Okay, and insert. So you can see this table. Okay, and let's discuss here at this place. So this is the table, and H means where you want to insert your table. If you are using at this place T is used for the top, so the table will print on the top of the page. And if you are using here at this place B, in that case the table will be at the bottom. So there are three symbols. One is H. H means here where the table is you are writing. T is used for the top of the document, and B is used for bottom on the page. बुझाओ पंखा चला लो. Sorry, dear participant, due to the some interruption, my connection was disconnected. Now it's okay, and we can resume the meeting. Session is now everything is going well. I hope everything is going well. Yes. Streaming is there. Yes. Now, welcome back. Due to the interruption in my network, the system was stopped, but now it's okay. So let's discuss again, and we continue our session. So you can see here the entire interface. Okay, many things we have discussed, but few things are need to discuss here. How we can insert the images. Okay, we need to discuss here how we can insert the image inside our document. So this is again very simple to insert the images. Okay, application in symbolic computation modeling. So this is the, I think, empowering. This is another document. So here carbon operator control statement, yes. Okay, this is the another document, no problem. Okay, so here you can see inside in this document, if you need to insert the image, how you can do? I have to open the same document, so this will help you, otherwise create the problem. I have to close this one. Dear participant, please just stay connected, and I am opening the same file. So this is the document, download LaTeX, this one, and here is the file. And here also you can see in this folder there are some images are there, and I want to insert the image in our document. Okay, this is very important part. And when I will execute this one, LaTeX with generative AI, yeah, now I have the same file. Yes, this is the same file, enhancing scientific computing with LaTeX and generative AI. So the one part is how we can insert the table inside. So for that, what we do, I am taking how to insert. Okay, you will put here the statement how to insert table image in LaTeX with the example. Okay, so by using this statement, this will return us a code to insert the image. Okay, see here. So this is the code. By using this one, you can insert the image, and along with we need these two packages. Graphics is there in our document, and you can use also caption. Okay, we are using these two both. So packages are required at this place. Graphics is there already. So here we will add the packages. Okay, so this is the repeated, we can remove one. The required packages are there, and then this is the code to insert the image. So by using this one, you can insert the image anywhere in your document where you want to insert. Suppose that I want to insert the image at section number 1. Okay, I choose here. I want to insert the image at the place. See, I am taking the same begin figure and figure. Okay, and then we have the centering. The image which we are using will be in the center. Okay, include width. At this place you will put the name of the file. Okay, see here, I want to insert this image in my document, and file name is image1. Copy the name of the file, and then come to edit space and use the image1. Okay, this is the name of the file. The same name will be used here. Okay, and this is the caption. Then when you will run this code, you can see on the right hand side the image has been inserted at the place with caption. Okay, here we are using caption. Simple illustration showing example you can manipulate, and the figure number is automatically there. Okay, you can use here first figure. I am using first figure. Okay, here you can see on the right hand side. Okay, if you are copying all these and then paste here. Okay, so this is the second figure, you know, this is the second figure. So caption is second figure here. Caption is second figure. Okay, second figure. And the file name is here 2. So this is the second figure. Automatically this will insert in our document. So when you will build, this will be inside in our document. Okay, and this will be inside the center. Also the figure number will do update automatically. This will be updated automatically. So what we are doing, we are inserting here several images. So copy and insert. This is the figure number 3. Okay, this is the third figure. Caption, you can give the detail about the figure. Okay, this is the third figure, but I am using simple name. Okay, the figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3 very nicely inserted in our document. Okay, so here the label we are also using. The label is also there. You can see this is the label. What is the purpose of the label? This label you can use in the table also. So here I use the label for first figure is, I am using here figure 1, FIG figure 1, and for the second I am using the label fig 2. I am using the label fig 2, and here I am using the label fig 3. Okay, these are the labels. Okay, and these will not be visible to anywhere in the images where you insert, but these are very useful. See, if I want to give the reference of these images, okay, so how I can give the reference? See the image, see slash reference, and you can use figure 1, then comma slash reference. You can give the figure 2, and you can give here slash reference figure 3. Okay, so when I will run this part again, you have to run this 2 times. Yes, you can see here, see the figure. You will write here figure 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so the numbers are there automatically. The numbers are there 1, 2, 3. Okay, if sometimes you change the images, so here this image is now, suppose that I put at this place. Now this is the figure 3, but now at the first position. I need not worry about this thing. This will update automatically. The number of this image will be 1, for this will be 2, and the next will be 3. Okay, now this third figure will become automatically figure number 1. See, yes, this was the third figure, but now it becomes first figure. Okay, figure 1, you can see third figure, but previously it was figure 3, but now it is, the name of the figure is 1 at the first position, and then the caption is the label is automatically updated. Okay, the numbering will be managed automatically inside the document. And one more thing, last, okay, sometimes we need the numbers in the section. Okay, numbers in the section, numbers within section. Okay, so what you will do, see here, if you need to insert the numbers within the section, you can use here equation numbers. We need the equation numbers within section. Okay, so what you will see, you will get the, yes, this will be appear like in this way. Just you need to use this part. Okay, and we will copy and paste where, in the environment. So before the begin document, the part which you can see here, this part is the environment of the document. So you will paste at this place and rebuild the file. So as soon as you will rebuild the file, you will see that the equation numbers are 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Okay, and in the section number 3, these are 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. All the informations updated automatically within few seconds without any worried. Okay, you need not worry about these numbers. This will be updated in the entire document without loss of any time. Okay, so this is the use and importance of this document. Lastly, if you want to prepare of this document, it will take only less than 1 minute. Okay, once you prepare your document by using the LaTeX and you need the presentation, this presentation will be converted within 1 minute. What I will do, see, I will copy the entire document, select all, copy and come to ChatGPT. Come to ChatGPT. These are your document, not AI generated. These are your document, not AI generated. If you have prepared yourself, but you need your presentation, since in mathematical, when there are some mathematical expressions are there, okay, mathematical equations are there, then it is very hard to prepare your presentation. Okay, all the papers who present their document by using the PPT in mathematics, and they know the importance. Okay, and a lot of time they spend to prepare the PPT. But here, once you have the document which is prepared in the LaTeX, this will convert your entire document in the form of presentation. What I do translate the content in Beamer presentation. Okay, and then paste your entire content from the LaTeX and enter. So this will be converted into your presentation and it will take less than 1 minute. So your entire content is being converted into the LaTeX, and now we can copy all this content from this place. Okay, so for the copy we have to copy from this place and come to here. We have to take a new file paste here, save it with the name of presentation. I give the name presentation. Presentation and save it. Then what you will do? You will build the file. Okay, you will build the file. Yes, so here you can see this is Control L, my presentation. Okay, you can see my presentation is ready. The questions are there, everything inside. The document is now in the PPT format. If you want to change, okay, so what you can do, you can insert here, translate in. You can use one more thing in the prompt which we use here. Okay, see what I am using to make more beautiful. Okay, we can give you can use 1:69 ratio format. Okay, and enter. 1:69 ratio format. Yes, so this is converted into the aspect ratio is this one. Okay, so you can use this format also. You can copy if entire has been converted. Yes. Okay, now you can again copy from this place and use here and paste here. Okay, and see. Build the file again. Yes, and see here. Now this is Control L. When you will use Control L, this will be in the full size. So you can see the difference in the previous and this file. Okay. So this is the this is covering the entire page. Okay, so now you can have some more change the format. You can use one more statement, change the format template. You can use it here, template of the PPT in blue and white. Yes. Okay, see the how beautiful is this presentation now. This is very beautiful presentation which will be prepared now, and you will see how easy is everything. Okay. Yeah. Now copy from this place, and this is the format which use theme. This is a theme, clean and simple. Okay. Madrid. So there are several themes are there. So when you will cover our course, which is free available for you, and you can recommend also to the other people. Okay, see now the difference in this presentation. Yes, now this is better than Control L. Okay, and you can see the difference. Okay, so in this way you can prepare your PPT, or by using only within 1 minute you have the presentation in mathematics. Usually in the mathematics to prepare the PPT is very hectic, very typical, and very hard to manage everything. If you have the prepared your document in Word process, okay, and when you will prepare your PPT, it will take a whole day. Sometimes if your document is long, you have to spend 2 days or 3 days to prepare your presentation. Okay. Dear participant, first of all, thank you very much to see the entire session, and I hope that the content which we try to present here are very useful to all of you, and I try to cover everything which you need, and I hope that the content which we try to cover are very useful, very informative to all of you. Okay, so thank you, sir. Very nice topic and very nice session. Bye, sir, and good night, sir. Okay, Sukhra Singh, you are going to leave now. Okay, so the main thing is how you can get our course. Very simple. Just you need to visit. See, again, I am sharing my screen, and from the screen you can get from where you can get the course. Okay, you will go to Headspace. The course is under development, and very soon all the lectures will be available, and this will be very helpful, very supportive, all the things which I not able to present during this time. Okay, so everything will be there. You will enter here mathstechguru.com. You will go to mathstechguru.com. Okay, and this is our platform where you can find, go to the courses, see this link, this is the courses, and when you will click here, scroll down and scroll down. Yeah, this is the course LaTeX, which is free, available. Anyone from any place, you can easily register here and you can get benefited for yourself. Okay, so just you need to click here and then continue. I am registered, so here this is the continue. Otherwise here will be buy or register, but this is free. Just you need to click at the page and you will easily register, and after that when you will click here, inside there are some lectures. These are the old lectures. Okay, but we are going to update all these lectures. If you are beginner and you are going to start LaTeX, then you can do from this place also, but all these lectures will be removed very soon, since all the lectures has been updated. Okay, so there are only 5 lectures are there. So from this place you can easily access this course. You can register and you need not worry about any payment, and this will be available throughout your life. You can anytime access, you can recommend your friends, your colleagues. Okay, so thank you very much to see this lecture till the end. If one more thing, but last, I request to all the participants to subscribe this channel, since we are regularly rising various type of the programs which are very helpful, very supportive to all of you. Okay, and if you subscribe to this channel, whenever we will be live for the session, okay, you can enjoy. So here is okay. Yes, so when you will join this one, so when you will subscribe the channel, whenever we will live, you will be notified. Okay, so the session is, I know, very informative, very knowledgeable. You must share with your colleagues, your friends, your student. Okay, and if you have any question, my WhatsApp number is there to all the participants. You can submit your prompt to my WhatsApp number, and I am announcing my WhatsApp number once again. My WhatsApp number is 9780920053. So if you have any question, you can put your question on my WhatsApp number, and I will try to reply you. So thank you to all to attend my session, and stay connected, enjoy the lectures, integrate AI tools in your learning, in your teaching, in your studying. Okay, so all these will help you many more. Thank you to all. Good night. Stay connected and stay safe.